Hi, I'm Gus from G&G Mechanical, your local heating and air conditioning company. Today we're in Bellmawr, New Jersey, where we installed a Bryant Ductless mini split for an addition that really wasn't getting comfortable for their heating and cooling needs. Come on, let's go in and check it out. So the homeowner has a forced hot air heating and cooling system, but it did not have ductwork out to this area of the addition. So the homeowner contacted us via Facebook, and prior to the mini split, she was using a window unit or window shaker and a fireplace. So we wanted to get them a mini split that would take care of both heating and cooling for them. The installation is very easy. It's very user-friendly on the contractor side. It took us less than a day to do. Basically, we hang the indoor unit on the wall, we drill a hole out, run the line set down the side, and then we do everything outside with the condenser. It has a remote control you can use. You set it up to Wi-Fi, so you can use your smartphone. And it is also very quiet, very user-friendly, very energy-saving. The ductless split was a perfect solution for this addition to both heat and cool the area. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in a ductless mini split for your house, give us a call or check out our website.